Alright, so if you're not receiving emails from Binance, yeah, that can stop you from logging in or confirming transactions. But don't worry, there are a few simple fixes. First, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes Binance emails end up there by mistake. Next, wait a couple of minutes. Sometimes email delivery is just delayed. Use the search bar in your email and type Binance to find any hidden messages. Make sure you're logging in with the correct email address linked to your Binance account. Check if you have filters or rules blocking Binance emails. Turn them off if needed. Now click Resend Code on Binance. But don't spam it. Wait a few seconds between attempts. If your inbox is full, you might not receive new emails. Free up some space if needed. Sometimes switching networks or devices can help trigger the email delivery. If nothing works, contact Binance support so they can check your account email delivery issues. And yeah, that's how you fix most Binance email not received issues. Just go step by step and it usually gets solved quickly.